Folks, what we're looking at is the S&P 500. S&P 500 on April 26th made another new all-time closing high for the year, along with the NASDAQ. So next week, we won't be surprised next week, the week after, if both the NASDAQ and the S&P 500, and for that matter, the Dow Jones, if one or all three of those make more all-time highs going into mid-May. In another video coming out later this weekend, we're going to explain when we think we need to be more conservative, because we think the markets are going to have a 5 to 10% pullback when this event occurs. Again, that's going to be in another video coming out later this weekend. For now, we're going to keep all of our investment mix the same as it was Friday. We're going to keep it the same Monday. If Monday looks good with the NASDAQ with another all-time high, we'll keep it the same Monday going into Tuesday. Tuesday, we're going to start looking at it, because by Tuesday, this event that should be occurring should be very close to occurring within a week or a couple of weeks after next week. So until that time, we're going to stay where we are, and then we'll get more conservative as this event gets closer. Make sure you catch the rest of the videos coming out later this weekend. Enjoy your weekend.